Hello everyone and welcome to another Linux tutorial. Today we will talk about some kind of troubleshooting and what's important for troubleshooting. If you go, for example, for an interview as an administrator, then you will be probably asked to solve a problem that the company has. For example, something is not right with the system, and then they practically give you a laptop and they say, okay, now you can find the problem. So what is the syslog standard? The syslog standard is a standard that helps with the processing and categorizing of messages. The messages in Linux are numerized. The 0 stands for the kernel messages, the kernel. 1 is for the user, 2 for the mail, and so on. You can see some here and you can also Google them. And there is also code severity in messages. Some messages are more important than some other messages, and this is the same scala that is also being used in networking. So if you work with networks, or if you want to do it, then you will have the same schema. The null stands for emergency. If you see the null, you should the system doesn't work anymore. You need to do something. The alert is also something really important that you should solve it now. The critical is also really important. It is a critical condition. It can wait a little bit, the system goes on, but you also need to solve it in a short amount of time. The error, the number 3, is also important, but you have more time to do it because the system can also run further. The warning is not that important, and sometimes it's just a warning that you don't need to solve at all, but it is also good to check them and to try to solve them if something is going wrong. A notice is when the system notices something that is bad for your system, and maybe you want to change that, maybe not. Info is just information for the system, and the number 7 is just the debugging messages. There are 3 syslog servers: the syslog D, the RHCSA, which is located here, and the syslog -ng. At some point we will also create these servers and we will interact with them using the virtual machines, or maybe we could also try to demonstrate some trafficking here with a real server that I have here at home. Another really important command for the logging is the command logger. Then you type down the options. Logger. As you can see, the options here, the options are all here. You can just man this logger, and it is the logger is to enter messages into the system log. The option P is for the severity, and the T is for the tag. For the tag. Now back to the interview thing. A really important log troubleshooting tool is the journal control and then -F. This allows you to see the messages, the current messages, the live messages that happen in your system, because if the interviewer gives you a problem that needs to be solved now and that the problem is ongoing, then you will probably see some error or some critical or some alert messages here with red color, and then you will know where to search for something that is that goes bad on your system. We will also dedicate a lesson for the troubleshooting and all of its techniques. This was it for today. I hope that you enjoyed. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them on the comment section below. Thank you all for watching.